Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this aloe vera gel from Wow Skin Science. So if you are interested to know all the details about this product and how this works on me and whether you should buy it or not and the uses of this product, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay let's quickly jump into the video. So as you all guys know that aloe vera gel is a really very good ingredient for our hair or skin, and no matter whatever skin type and hair type you have to use aloe vera gel because it is such a good ingredient you can't even imagine. I mean, aloe vera gel is so good for your hair. It makes your hair smooth and soft and shiny, and it is also a wonderful product for your skin. You can apply it as a moisturizer on your face, you can apply it as a sleeping mask, you can apply it on your hands and legs after you have done your waxing. So it is a really very good product. So guys, you can use any kind of aloe vera gel from any brand, whichever you prefer. That's completely up to you, and you can also DIY the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant. So you have to extract the aloe vera gel from the leaves. So for me that is a really very time consuming process, and I don't have the time to do all that work, and it's a really very tricky because you have to extract the gel first, then you have to mix it really well, and then you can use it. You can't just use it as it is because it will be in lumps. So that's that. So if you can do all that, then you are good to go. But if you are kind of lazy like me, then this kind of packaged aloe vera gel is a very good option for you, because there are so many brands which have their aloe vera gels, and Wow Skin Science also have their aloe vera gels. And just look at the packaging guys, the packaging is so beautiful. It is like a aloe vera leaf, and the packaging is so nice guys. I can't have words to explain the packaging. I am so in love with the packaging. It is so nice. So guys, while you are choosing any aloe vera gel, you have to make sure that the aloe vera gel don't have artificial fragrances and artificial color in them. So most of the aloe vera gel which you find in the market have the green color in it. So this aloe vera gel especially don't have any color to it. I know that it is looking green, but the packaging is green color, but the product is completely transparent. It don't have any sort of artificial colors in it, and it also don't have any artificial fragrances, and it also don't have any kind of parabens and sulfates and mineral oils. So a big thumbs up for that. And this is 99% pure aloe vera. So you can see that it is written here, it is 99% pure aloe vera. So it's a very good product. The price of this product is 299 rupees. I know that it is slightly higher on the price, but you can definitely get this on a good discount from Nykaa or from other website. I have bought this from Nykaa, and it is also available in Amazon, Flipkart and some other websites. So I will share all the links I found of this product in my description box below, so you can buy it from wherever you want to buy it from. So you can just have a look at all the websites where this is available from my description box below, and you can just see where it is having the most amount of discount, then you can buy it from there. So that's a quick tip. So this is called Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera, and this is for all skin types and hair types, and I will show you the consistency of this. So it has a green color cap at the top, and it has that this tic tac kind of opening. So here is the consistency. So this has a very thick gel consistency, as you can see, and when you blend it, it really absorbs in your skin very quickly, and it really hydrates your skin. So you can see that this doesn't have any sort of colors, and it also don't have any fragrance. It just smells like the normal aloe vera gel which you extract from the plant and use it. It just smells like that. So it don't have any kind of fragrances. So if you are fragrance sensitive, then I think that this is a very good option for you. So you can definitely give it a try, and I have been using this since last 1.5 months, and as you can see I have almost emptied the half of it. I hope the camera is picking it up. So it is empty till here, and I have used it on my face as a sleeping mask and as a moisturizer, and I have also used it on my hands after I have done my waxing. So it really hydrates and cools my skin, and it really has a very cooling effect. I mean, if you use it, you can relate to what I am saying. I really like it, and especially I use it as a sleeping mask, and my skin in the morning feels really very hydrated and soft. So I really love this product, guys, and I can highly recommend this product to you. So whether you have oily skin or combination skin or normal skin, don't worry guys, this product is going to suit all skin types and all hair types as well. So you can definitely give it a try if you want. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And share this video with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook, the links will be in the description. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.